Let's get to this wash and go. We're going to make it real quick and simple. I'm only using one product to achieve these curls. I don't know how short my wash and go is going to look, but I'm so excited to see how healthy my hair look now that I got those split ends out of my life. So if you're interested in seeing how my new cut look with a wash and go, see how good these curls are popping, make sure that you stay tuned. This is so funny and it feels so awkward to me because I have not sat down and did a tutorial with you all like one-on-one in so long. So y'all gotta bear with me. But if you watched my last vlog, then you know I just went and got my hair cut. It was such a great experience. I'll leave the link to the stylist below, but she just trimmed my ends. I didn't get it styled. I just wanted to do my own wash and go. So I thought that it would be cool to come down here and finally sit down and record a wash and go tutorial. Something real quick, simple, because I'm not trying to be down here all day and I want this shit to dry so it can look like something tomorrow when I'm ready to go out the door. It is so short, but it has so much movement and bounce to it. Now that I got my ends clipped, it just looks so healthy. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'll make sure I'll link it up in the cards for you all to catch up on. But we're going to do a wash and go today, and I'm using one product because like I said, I don't got all day. All right, so getting right into it. This is my hair now that I cut it, if you didn't catch my last video. It is just so short, but it looks so healthy. Like, look at this. Look at all this body and movement that my hair has. It is just so nice, and it feels so light and so different. But we are about to style a wash and go, and like I said, I'm only using one product because I want my hair to dry. It's getting pretty late and I hate going to bed with my hair wet, so I didn't feel a need to go back in and wash my hair because she just did it yesterday, so I don't need to wash my hair again. It's nice and clean. My scalp is a little dry because I don't have any products in my hair. She did put a slight bit of oil in it just to give it a little shine, but other than that, it's no products really in my hair. So we are going to go in and dab my hair with some water before we add any product, just to make the curls pop and get that good definition. So if you're new to my channel and this is the first video that you have came across, I like to put products in my hair when it's soaking wet, and like I said, we're only using one product today. Keep it real simple, real sweet, straight to the point. So I'm going to section off the back of my hair, and I'm going to use just this section right here. Matter of fact, let me take these hoops out. I am so nervous, y'all. I feel like my curls is going to be so short, but you know, health over length. I'm just going to go in with the Camille Rose Curl Maker, which is one of my favorite products. I'm only using this product by itself, and I'm about to wet my hair. I really enjoyed it being dry like this, though. I can't even lie to you. So let's just saturate this section like so. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Why am I so excited? Why my hair look so straight like that? I've never seen my hair look that straight when I wet it. But anyway, we're just gonna soak this section like so. And I don't see not one curl popping up in my hair yet. That's different. Shouldn't have wore a black shirt, but we're gonna spray this section like this. I got a wide tooth comb, so I'm just gonna comb through it like that. And let's add some product because that's strange. My hair didn't curl up at all yet.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yeah, very much strange. So I just took 2 pumps of the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and oh, there we go. Okay. All right, because I was getting a little nervous for a second there. And we're just going to apply this to the entire section. We're working this product in, making sure you touch your roots. Like, make sure you get them roots so we can get them curls popping all the way from the scalp to the tip of our hair. So I'm just making sure that I saturate this whole section with the product, working it in to cover all of my hair strands and get those curls coming back nice and popping. Hopefully they will. I like to end each section with doing the prayer hands method just to clump my curls together and yeah, have it look like this. Oh my goodness, my hair's so short. It is so short, y'all. Oh my God. Let's add a little bit more water. This is crazy. But one thing I will say, the product goes on so nice and my hands can just go through my hair with ease. I don't have to worry about no single strand knots or none of that. I'm just so glad that I was able to get those dead ends up off of me, because who want to walk around with dead ends? Not me. Not I. So let's move on to the next section, and we're going to repeat the same steps. We're going to saturate this entire section with water first before applying the product. Again, we're only using one product. This is a one product wash and go. I'm not shingling the product in my hair because I don't got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I can't even lie. The curls is popping. The curls look so good. They look so good. But I'm still a little nervous because this is the longest they look. This is the longest. That don't even make sense. This is as long as they look with it being wet. So when it dry up, it's going to go all the way up here. And we're going to have a little TWA. But it's okay. It's okay. Let me continue to do this wash and go. And I'll pick y'all back up once we get to the front of my hair. Ciao. I'm back. I cannot wait to share my final thoughts with y'all. But it's giving Easy-E. It's okay because we healthy. It's okay because we healthy. We healthy. We healthy. That's all I'm gonna keep telling myself. I know it's gonna grow back. This reminds me when I first did a chop when I wanted to get rid of my dead ends. I'm used to having my hair short like this because I've done it before. We're prioritizing healthy hair. It's so cute. It's so cute to me. I like really love my hair off my shoulders. If you're new to my channel, I love cutting my hair above my shoulders. However, when this bad boy dry, she's gonna shrink up. My ends is looking top tier. Chef's kiss. It looks so good. It's even all the way around, and that's what I really wanted. So I'm hoping that my hair will grow out and give me that circular shape. You know what I mean? That's what I really want. I want a nice full fluffy big hair wash and go. And to mention, I don't even see an ounce of heat damage. Now I will say, before I got my hair cut, I did have a weave in, so that stylist had to blow my hair out, and she used a lot of heat. And I do have one little strand up here that I'm tempting to cut, but I'm not gonna mess with it. This is the only strand that I have that has heat damage, and this was prior to me getting my hair cut, so I know this came from when I got my weave because I saw it. I definitely saw this. Yeah, I'm so tempted to cut that little strand right there. Just wanted to share some thoughts with you before I finish up this wash and go. This was real quick. This was probably the quickest wash and go I ever did in my life. I just picked up Camille Rose because this is one of my OG favorite gels. I love using this. It's lightweight. It's not super heavy. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to flake up. I definitely went pretty heavy-handed with this product, so I'm hoping I don't have white flakes. If so, that would be on me. I'm going to take a mental visual note of how short my hair is. I'm just curious to see how long it's going to take for my hair to grow back. I don't know what I did. What did I do? Why didn't I do a side part? Why would I put my part like that? I don't know. But we're just going to let the curls fall naturally where they want to fall at. And then we're going to let it air dry overnight. And I'm going to come back and pick you all up so you can see the final results of my little TWA. My little cute little curly cut. These little strands right here, I have to cut it. It is driving me crazy. So let's cut it because why keep it? So let me start off by saying this. I know I was heavy-handed with the product last night because it's been a minute since I did a detailed wash and go. So I have a cast on my hair that I need to break, and I have some oil here that I'm going to use, which is probably too heavy, but I have some Jamaican black castor oil that I'm going to use to break the cast on my curls. But I will say that they look healthy, so defined. The coils are coiling, but if you can see up here, this is where my hair is really short at. I don't know if it was the way that I had my fro cut the last time. I'm not sure if it broke off. I don't know, but this is the part of my hair that we are wanting to have catch up to the bottom. So that's why I'm going to continue to get my trims. With that being said, the hair is super short, like super short. You can see that this side looks a lot fuller than this side because I usually sleep on this side. I want to break the cast on these curls to make it look fuller. It's kind of flat to my head right now. This is what my hair looks like. It's really defined. The curls look really healthy. It is super short. That's something that I have to get used to, but that's cool. I'd rather have it short and healthy than long and unhealthy. All right, so my final thoughts. First of all, for this to be a one product wash and go, it looks so good. The curls are defined and the Camille Rose gel did what I needed to do. The Curl Maker has always been an OG product in my natural hair stash, so I highly recommend it. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a go because, I mean, the results are there. You can clearly see it, and that's the only product that I use. But my hair is really short. I don't know how my curly puff is going to look. It's cute though. I'm not mad at it, again, because it's healthy, but this is just something that I have to get used to. My husband said he thinks it's so cute, but Yeah, it's just so funny to me. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And again, you will see more natural hair videos from me doing wash and goes and trying out natural hair products. If there is a particular product that you want me to try, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll pick it up and review it for you all. But until the next time, see you in my next vlog.